The Retroid Pocket 6 and the Odin 3 are both powerful handheld gaming devices, but they target slightly different users. The Retroid Pocket 6 focuses on emulation and handheld convenience, offering solid performance for retro and mid-tier games with a comfortable, lightweight design and long battery life, while keeping cost relatively affordable. It's great for players who primarily want to run classic consoles, indie titles, and Android-based games with smooth performance and easy portability. In contrast, the Odin 3 pushes into higher performance territory with stronger hardware, better cooling, and wider compatibility for modern AAA titles and demanding Android games, even some titles that push into PC class performance depending on the configuration. The Odin 3's larger screen, more powerful SoC, and richer feature set make it a better choice for gamers who want both emulation and mainstream mobile gaming performance in one unit. But it's also bigger, heavier, and typically more expensive. Both systems support controllers, have good battery life, and offer flexible storage options, but the Retroid Pocket 6 excels in value and simplicity, whereas the Odin 3 stands out for power and future proof capability.